Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well. In this video, I will be helping you how to approach a traffic light which is going on a uphill. Many learners, they get scared or they feel intimidated soon as they see a traffic light going uphill. If it's green, they hope that the traffic light doesn't change so they don't have to stop, because for them it is difficult for them to move off on a hill. Now, firstly, the reason you feel that, or the learners, they feel that because the moving off on a hill going up is weak. You probably need more practice on uphill. So if you have problem, or soon as you see a traffic light or even a junction going up, if you feel intimidated, it means that you need more practice. If I were you, I would ask my driving instructor to help you more on hill going up, so that you feel more comfortable before you reach any junctions or traffic light on a hill going up. So then when you go to those kind of junctions, you don't feel intimidated or scared, because you have practice and you now feel comfortable on those kind of junctions. But anyway, hopefully this video should help you how to move off on a hill going up, especially on a traffic light. Let's start the lesson. As we drive on this road, we can see there is a hill we are approaching, and it's a traffic light, and we can see there are already cars waiting on the traffic light, which means we'll have to stop behind those cars. We cover the brake and the clutch, and we start braking, and we brake. Now we put the clutch down and we brake the car to stop, and then we'll put the handbrake on, go to neutral, and then we will wait until the traffic light changes. Now we could just about see the traffic light, so we will wait until the traffic light changes, or if we see the cars in front moving, that's when we will get the car ready to move off. So now we see the cars are moving. We put the clutch down, go to first gear, we set the gas, and then we will take the rev around 2 because it's on a hill. Bring the clutch up halfway where the biting is, so we feel the bite, and then when we feel the bite, we will try to take the handbrake off slower than normal. So up, press the button, take the handbrake off really slowly until we find the biting. We don't want the car to go back or forward yet, so make sure the car doesn't go back. Take the handbrake off really slowly. We feel the bite. Now we know. Fraction clutch up, car starts to move. Hold the clutch for a little longer, and around here we bring the clutch up. Now we see traffic light is changing again, so we will cover the brake and we cover the clutch, prepare the car to stop again. Around here we'll put the clutch down and brake the car to stop. So we gradually brake and stop the car. Once we stop, put the handbrake on, neutral, and wait until the traffic light changes again. Now here again, because we are the second car, it's no point getting the car ready too early, so we will wait on neutral, on the handbrake on, and we will wait until the traffic light changes to amber again. That's when we will get the car ready. Now if you're the first car, obviously try to analyze when you think you're going to be next and try to get the car ready a bit earlier. But because here you are behind a bus, which means you will have time to get the car ready. So we will wait until the traffic light changes. That's when we will put the clutch down, go to first gear, and set the car ready to move off again. So we will wait until the traffic light changes. Now this traffic light is quite long, so we'll just wait on neutral, and we will always be ready. Now put the clutch down, go to first gear, set the gas, bring the clutch up to the biting, hold the clutch, handbrake off, fraction more clutch up, car starts to move, hold the clutch for a little longer and gradually clutch all the way up, and then once you are straight, go to second gear. I hope this video helps, and I hope next time you approach a traffic light, this video gives you more understanding. But if you do feel scared or intimidated when you approach a traffic light on a hill, then my strong advice would be for you to ask your driving instructor to give you more practice on hill going up. That way, every time you approach a junction or a traffic light going up, you will feel more comfortable and more confident. So more practice on hill so that you feel more confident and you feel more comfortable on your approach on hill going up. Okay, that's it for today, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please do give a thumbs up, and please do make a comment what you think of the video. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos, and hope to see you again on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.